There are a few ways you can access the full text to an article cataloged in our databases. The first and most straightforward way is to select PDF full text to the left of the article's record page under Detailed Record when it's available. This will bring up a downloadable PDF of the article. However, databases don't always give the option to select PDF full text. Instead, what you might see is an article linker icon followed by check for full text. This simply means that the current database you're searching in doesn't have a PDF of the article. However, the article linker will search for the PDF elsewhere in USU databases. After selecting the link, you'll be asked to open the article in a new tab. This will bring up a new page where you can find a PDF option. Occasionally, USU won't have a subscription to the journal the article is from, in which case you'll be brought to a page that says the item is not available online. If this happens, you can request the article free to you via interlibrary loan. After requesting the article, you'll typically get a PDF emailed to you within the next 48 hours.